Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start with Roblox open and the chat or any text field selected. This is essential. Once focused, press Windows key plus period to open the Windows Emoji picker and type a keyword to narrow results. You will see skin tones, flags, and symbols. Select one and it inserts immediately at the cursor. Make sure your cursor is exactly where you want the emoji, because once inserted you can still edit surrounding text and add more characters before sending. Once done inserting single emoji, you may want combinations or characters that the picker doesn't show. You can copy composite emoji sequences from a trusted source and paste them into Roblox. This preserves zero-width joiners for combined symbols. Make sure to assemble longer emoji strings in a simple editor like Notepad so you can preview how they look before pasting. Also, use the picker's search to find modifiers quickly. Then paste the full sequence into the game. Now send the message and verify it appears correctly for you and other players. If an emoji shows up as an empty box or a question mark, that means Roblox or your system lacks the glyph. Update Windows, install latest fonts, or use a pasted image/sticker instead. If problems persist, restart the Roblox client after updating and retry the Windows emoji picker or copying a known good emoji sequence. This single troubleshooting step, update and restart, fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.